Hey everybody, I thought I would share a quick update on where I am with testing out the new iPad Pro. I will say I love this case. This is the Magic Keyboard, and this is really nice because it holds it really well, and when you open it, it allows you to do this sort of tilt, which is really nice to have this sort of an angle. I like that. I can tilt it whatever way I want, but having it go back a little bit further like that is really nice, and that's definitely a feature that I'm enjoying. The keyboard itself, I think, is fantastic. I really like the feel of the keys. They feel stable. It feels like the keyboard I normally use at my Mac computer. And you can see they're pretty much kind of the same size, key size and key length. So that's worked out really well. I feel very efficient with using this Magic Keyboard. What's also super nice about the Magic Keyboard is the trackpad. I have to remind myself it's there. But it is nice. It's a trackpad, just like you would have on your computer. And that's been really helpful because I have found that when I'm using the trackpad, using the iPad a lot, I tend to get tap fatigue. It's like, okay, I gotta tap, 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 tap. And that can wear on you after a while, especially when you use a mouse at a desktop all the time. So reminding myself to use the keyboard has been important, and it does. It allows me to scoot around, click and open up apps and things like that. So, you know, using that trackpad, I think, is going to be something, as I remind myself, it's going to be very efficient. One thing I don't like, and it's just no fault of Apple's or anybody's, but, you know, I did get the big iPad. This is the 12.9-inch screen. It's pretty nice size, but it's heavy. You know, with the Magic Keyboard attached and everything. I also have the pencil. It's pretty heavy. It's not something you want to sling in a purse or a bag easily to take with you, although it is nice and it's convenient and compact. It's just heavy, you know, and there's not much you can do about it if you want this larger screen. They do make a smaller iPad Pro, and so for folks that are worried about size, the smaller iPad Pro is probably going to be the way to go. You know, so far, I'm liking this. We're going to talk more next time about multitasking and the good and the bad of that one. So, and I do have a lot to say about that, but I wanted to give everybody kind of a quick update on at least where we were with the iPad, how much I am enjoying it for certain things, and we're going to get deeper into that the next time. So anyway, thanks, and I hope everybody is having a great day.